Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can add your logo to your designs and projects on Canva, for example, to give them a really personal touch. So let us get started right away. It is actually very simple. So head over to your design on Canva, and what you want to do, guys, is let me, for example, make some space here in that example design. I would like to place my logo, let's say here in the bottom left corner, and maybe even make it slightly transparent. Let me show you how to do that, guys. So what you want to do is upload your logo in JPEG or PNG format first from your device. So make sure that it is saved on your device. And if that's the case, guys, simply head over to Uploads here on the left panel, and here at the top, choose or click on Upload Files. And after that, locate the file or the logo on your device. So let me do that really quickly. There you go. Wait for the upload process to be finished. And after that, simply click on your logo, and after that it will appear here on your design. So you may, for example, resize it and position it. And last but not least, guys, as previously mentioned, to make it look like a watermark, you may apply, for instance, or some opacity or transparency. To do that, click on that button here at the top, transparency, and move that slider here to the left to make it look really, really transparent. Let's set it at 15 transparency, and that is going to make it look like a watermark, almost like a watermark. And that's how you add logos to your designs on Canva. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.